With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The question that we are going to discuss now is, which of the following is correct regarding the electron transport system of respiration? Okay, and the options given are NADP is directly oxidized by complex 4, then complex 5 is a mobile electron carrier, third is complex 4 causes the reduction molecular oxygen, and fourth is complex second contains 2 copper centers. Now, if you talk about this electron transport system of respiration or electron transport chain, now it's a series of electron transporters embedded in the inner mitochondrial membrane. So, where it is found? It is found in the inner mitochondrial membrane. Okay, and what happens is that it will shuttle electrons from NADH2 and FADH2 to molecular oxygen. So NADH and FADH2 will be transported to the molecular oxygen. Okay, and in this process, protons are being pumped from the mitochondrial matrix, okay, to the intermembrane space, and the oxygen is reduced to what? Oxygen is being reduced to water. Okay, so this is all about the electron transport system. Now, if you talk about the electron transport system, there are several complexes in this system. The first complex is the complex 1. Okay, so there is what? There is complex 1. In this, electrons go to complex 1. 4 protons are being pumped from the matrix to the inner intermembrane space. So, how many electrons? 4 electrons are being pumped from the complex 1 system. Now, if you talk about the complex 2. Complex 2. Now, what happens in complex 2? There is redox of FADH2. Coenzyme Q picks up electrons from complex 1 and complex 2 and it will transport to the complex 3. Okay, so the electrons will be transported from the complex 2 to the complex 3. Okay, now what will happen in the complex 3? In the complex 3, 4 electrons pumped from the matrix to the intermembrane space and carrier C protein electron to complex 4. Okay, so how many electrons are being there? 4 electrons are being there in this complex 3rd. Okay, complex 3rd, and what happens is that carrier C transport these electrons to the complex 4. Now, in this complex 4, what happens? Complex 4. Now, in this complex 4, 2 electrons are being pumped from the matrix to the intermembrane space and there is formation of the water. So, how many electrons? 2 electrons have been pumped from the mitochondrial space. Okay. Now, if you talk about the options, the first option, it is telling that NADP is directly oxidized by complex 4. Now, I told you NADP is not oxidized by complex 4. It is oxidized by what? It is oxidized by complex 1, which pumps 4 electrons, and then what it will do? It pumps 4 electrons and the electrons goes to complex 1. Okay, so here NADP is oxidized to the complex 4. So this option is incorrect. Now, if you talk about the second one, that complex 5th is the mobile electron carrier. Now, I told you mobile electron carrier, it is present in the complex 4. Okay, it is present where? It is present in the complex 4 where it will be present and it will do this. It will carry this 2 electrons. Okay, so this option is also wrong. Now, if you talk about the third one, that complex 4th cause the reduction molecular oxygen, then I told you complex 4 is it do what? It 2 protons have been pumped and it leads to the formation of the water and it will cause the reduction of the molecular oxygen to the water molecule. So this option is absolutely correct, that complex 4 causes the reduction of the molecular oxygen to what? To water. Okay, so this option is correct. Now, if you talk about the last one, that complex second contains 2 copper centers, then this is not present in the complex 2. This is also present in the complex 4. So, this option is also incorrect. So, the only correct option is option 3rd. Okay, I hope this is helpful to you. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.